This was Dad's last gift, my last piece of him. I promised I'd never sell it. I promised. But I can't keep my promise. Please, just take care of it, please.
I didn't think it would hurt this much to say this out loud. I tried. I really tried to be strong about it. To tell myself, it's just part of life. That everyone goes through loss. That time heals things. But no one tells you how quiet everything becomes after someone is gone. Not just a house, but inside you. My dad, he wasn't the kind of man who said, "I love you," every day. He didn't need to. You could feel it in the way he showed up, in the way he stayed, even when things were hard. When I was little, I used to follow him everywhere. I didn't even realize I was doing it. I just wanted to be near him. I remember sitting close by, watching him work, watching his hands, rough, tired hands that somehow made everything feel safe. And I thought, those moments would always be there. I really believe that. But life, it doesn't warn you when you're about to lose something forever. The last day I saw him, I didn't hug him long enough. I didn't stop. I didn't stay. I didn't say anything that mattered. I was in a hurry, thinking I had more time. And now, that moment.
It's the steering.
It won't leave me. It just plays. Again and again. If I had stayed a little longer. If I had said one more thing. If I had known. But you never know. And that's the part that breaks me. Because now, all I have are memories and questions that will never have answers. After he was gone, the world didn't stop. People kept laughing, talking, moving on. And I felt stuck. Like everything inside me just froze. I would walk into a room and expect him to be there, just doing something ordinary, like nothing had changed. But there was nothing, just silence. And somehow, silence is louder than anything else. There are nights I still can't sleep because everything comes back at once. The memories, the regrets, the things I wish I had done differently. I didn't realize how much I needed him until I couldn't reach him anymore. And now, every decision feels heavy, like I'm doing it alone when I was never supposed to. This choice, it's not something I wanted. It feels like I'm letting go of the last piece of him I can still hold on to. Like I'm closing a door, and this time, it's really the end. I wish I could tell him how much he meant to me. Not in small ways, but really tell him. I would give anything just to sit next to him again, even in silence, just to feel that everything is okay. But life doesn't give you those moments back. It only gives you memories and the weight of carrying them. I miss him in ways I can't explain. Not just in big moments, but in the smallest ones. In things I want to tell him. In questions I still have. In the quiet, where his voice used to be. And maybe that's what grief really is. Not just sadness, but love that has nowhere to go anymore.
This little beauty right here is officially for sale. She's a fully restored 1950s bubble car, one of a kind, and she is absolutely stunning. Drop your best price guess in the comments.